Hey guys, welcome back. I'm back with Undertale. I'm trying to upload these every single day, but I'm doing lots of things and wait, what is something's going wrong. Okay. And yeah. We're back with some more Undertale, and it just says determination. So I've killed all the enemies before we fought the next boss. I don't know who it is. I have no idea who the next boss is. Let me turn that up. It's kind of quiet. There's actually scary music. Oh, hey. Yo, everyone ran away and hid somewhere. Man, I was gonna be so dumb sometimes. Don't they know we got Undyne to protect us? From me? What is this? Why, babe? English, please. English. We need some English for this. Why? Not library. This has to be. Let's go. It's locked. Okay. Maybe not. It's locked from the inside. Maybe not. Okay. Alright. The music stopped. Here's the boss that we have to fight. Is that Papyrus? Do we have to kill Papyrus? Halt, human! I'm not gonna move. Hey, quit moving while I'm talking to you. I, the great Papyrus, have something to say. First, you're a freaky weirdo. Not only do you not like bubble, but the way you shamble about from place to place, the way your hands are always covered in dusty powder. It feels your life is gone down a dangerous path. However, Papyrus, see great potential within you. Everyone can be a great person if they try. And me, I only have to try at all. Hey, quit moving. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Human, I think you need of guidance. Someone needs to keep you on the straight and narrow. But do not worry, I, Papyrus, will gladly be your friend and tutor. Turn life around, right around. I see you approaching. Alright, wowee! My lessons are already working. I, Papyrus, welcome you with open arms. Oh. Let's spare him. No, just kidding. We're doing true genocide. We one-shot it. Well, that was not what I was expecting. Did we kill... What? Still, I believe in you. You can do a little better. Even if you don't think so, I promise. We killed Papyrus. Dude. Wait. Oops. Me. There we go. No, I really didn't want to kill him. The music has stopped as well. Oh, it's a waterfall place? What is this? Oops. By the way, I stacked up on these, so since we're doing the genocide path in the town behind us, Snowdin, everyone is gone, so 18 left. It's strangely silent. Is that the echo files? Do you leave a message? I'm gonna replay it. Yo, are you seeing Sarah too? Awesome. She's the coolest, right? I want to be just like her when I grow up. Hey, don't don't tell my parents I'm here. He likes Undyne, doesn't he? I know it. I know it. I know it. I know he likes Undyne. Yeah, and I'm full of stacked. Alright, let's go down here. See what's there. I swore I saw something behind that rushing water. Huh? There's a camera behind the waterfall. Who's stalking? Huh? There's a camera behind the waterfall. Okay. I forgot. Victoria said that you should always leave room for something in your inventory. Wait. Sorry. I sneezed. So, what is this? There's a tutu laying on the ground here. You take it. Let's take it. Got the old tutu. Wait, let me bring up the website. Let me bring up the old website. Who gets it? Scroll down. Keep going. Alright, so this has more defense than the old tutu has more defense than the manly bandana, which I have right now. Have the old tutu, the manly bandana will drop. Now we can have one. Wait. Wait. Okay. Cowboy's hat? Alright. Is that Undyne? Is that Undyne? Is that Undyne? What's this? What is this? No. Oh. She's supposed to be super strong. I'm going to battle her. Don't hurt me, please. Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. It's pretty good stuff. Don't hurt me. Okay. Stay back. Oh. She disappeared. Where is she? I'm just kidding. Yeah. Did you see that way? No, did you see that way? Oops, I accidentally skipped that. That was awesome. I'm so jealous. She was just standing there forever. No, waiting forever. And then you just, come on, let's go watch her beat up some bad guys. Oh, you tripped. What is... This might be a part where we have to cut the video. Because, this is where Aaron flexes This is in. Ooh. New enemy. What is this? Falcon Punch. Ooh. Falcon Punch. And some people get that. What does this sign say? If an error is made, the Bell Blossom can call Bridseed back to where they started. Oh, these? Oh, wait. There's a secret here. Since we're doing genocide, this is already done, I think. I think that's just because of genocide. I don't know. Put one there. And get this one. I'm gonna put it right there. This last one. Do we solve the puzzle? Do we get an item? What is this? Congratulations! You failed the puzzle. You serious right now? Are you serious right now? Dang it. Alright. Get these. Wait a second. It keeps going. Put that right there. Let's make a bridge across and see what's there. Is it a secret? Is it a key to another place? Maybe to that house. Had all the mail in it from the beginning of the episode. There's a lonely quench sitting underneath this bench. Will you take it? Yes. I've got the abandoned quench. It's just a bench. Okay. What does this say? I just wasn't ready for the responsibility of a quench. Are you serious? I could just go for like a little. I only need like what, $1.50 and I can buy it. Maybe some people will get that. Alright, what? Oh, it's a tiny turtle with a ducky on it. Falcon Punch! Falcon Punch! Dodge, dodge, dodge. Yes! Yeet! Boom! Boom! Bam! Alright. What is it? Can I? Wait. Get that ad out of here. Alright. Wait. Oops. You know what? I'm just gonna keep going. I'll do it later. Unless we can. Be strangely silent. Too small. Wait, actually, I forgot. I've got to do the thing. Wait, minimize that. Get this. I need to do my list. So I've encountered 4, so that means 14 left. There we go. If we kill 14 more enemies, then we're good for this area. Alright, now. And it's still recording. Alright, nice. Dodge, dodge, dodge. Falcon Punch! This is actually. What's this? It's strangely silent. What is this? Wishing room. Wait, do people wish on these? It's strangely silent. It's strangely silent. change this one. Yeah. What does this say? It tells it. What is this? Wait, what does it say? It says something on it. What's a light arrow? Check wall. Oh. These ancient writing covers the walls. You just make the wall of humans and monsters. Oh. Why did the humans attack? Indeed, it seemed they had nothing to fear. Humans are unbelievably strong. It would take the soul of nearly every monster just to equal the power of a single human soul. Right? Keep reading. But humans have one weakness. Ironically, it's the strength of their soul. Its power allows it to persist outside the human body, even after death. Right? If a monster defeats a human, it can take its soul. A monster with a human soul, a horrible beast, unfaithful power. It creates an illustration of a strange creature. There's something very unsettling about this drawing. I'm not gonna look at it. Wait, no, we can't go back there. I don't think we can go back. Aww. Man, I missed my opportunity. I'm done, I think. I think that's it. It's actually so loud. Oh my ears. Whoa. What was that? Run, it's Godzilla. Run, it's Godzilla. No, Godzilla. And now, please stop it. Hide. I have to turn that volume down, that's loud. There we go. It should be as loud for you. Oh, is it? Oh, my mic. There we go. It shouldn't be that high. I hit the monster kid. Don't hit the monster kid. It's not fair. The game's gone silent. No, it hasn't. Ding, ding, ding. He's gonna trip. I tripped. Yeah, did you see that? Undyne just touched me. I'll never wash my face ever again. Man, are you unlucky? You said that I was lucky before, and you were really jealous. If you understand just a little bit to the left, yo, don't worry, I'm sure we'll see her again soon. Oh, you tripped again. Just kind of sad. Ooh, it's strange this song. Because you just said 14 left. Everyone is gone. G-O-N-E, gone. We've got the abandoned orange. Down. Yeah. A pair of ballet shoes. Leave it for now. Alright, we've got the ballet shoes. Alright. Okay. Let me turn my microphone up. It's soft. There we go. Maximum. There we go. Nice. Use the box. Oops, wait, no. Nothing really that much to talk about. Did I say that I was verified in the last one? If I didn't, doesn't matter. I'm saying in this video while I go to where I'm supposed to be. But in a few minutes I'll have to end the video. It's about, what, 30 minutes this episode? It's long. Cool. That's 12. There we go, there we go. It sounds like something from Pokemon. The encounter? Oops, I missed one. Doesn't matter, we just one-shot it. What's this? Is it streaming time? Yep. The power to take their souls. This is the power that humans fear. Actually, I forgot to ask this in the first part. What would you prefer? In the comments below, say what you would like more, butterscotch or cinnamon? Which one do you like the best? Is this hot? Does this count as one thing? What is in here? Okay. Oh, it's being rained on him. Oh, there's an umbrella. Take an umbrella. What does it say? Please take one. Yes, I did. Give it to me. Oh. Inside the statue of music. Did we miss anything over here? Wait a second. Wait. A haunting song echoes down the corridor when you play along. Only the first 8 are fine. Oh, I know what we have to do. I know what we have to do. I don't know what the answer is. I'm looking up the answer to this. Scroll down. Right here. The answer to this, I just looked it up. So, let's see. Play it. Let's see. So the one is move out the way. Oh, there we go. No. Alright, guys, I'm gonna leave this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.